Hi, Tashi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, it's Lunduk Tomo here. And please, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe our channel.
Yeah, we're going to the Llama to get some Halloween decoration.
Yes, why? Tomorrow is
Halloween!
Yay! We're gonna enjoy. So we are going right now. Where? Llama.
Yeah.
To get some Halloween decorations.
Yeah, and I'm going to be Spider-Man, and my mom is going to be a cat now.
Are you gonna be what?
Spider-Man!
No, you have a different costume. Remember which costume you have?
You mean the one Boomchi got
Yeah,
me?
the one Boomchi got you. That one is Captain America, I guess.
No, it's
It's
a
it's
slime. It's a slime that. It's a slime. It's an ink. It's an ink one.
Oh,
it's an ink
that's an
Spider-Man.
ink.
Yeah, from that cousin.
We'll show them Llama, okay, where we going today.
Yeah.
So,
You're going to come with us, guys.
yes. And what you gonna buy for Kenze, our little Kenze?
Maybe we'll see. Maybe
We'll check inside the store, okay? They have a cute and
or maybe a bunny
yeah.
or like a fox.
Yes. Let's show them weather, okay? Today's weather is so beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Again?
But you have to wear your mask because
Yeah.
coronavirus.
What? Because of what?
Coronavirus.
Are you so scared?
Yeah.
Yeah, we put mask in our pocket, okay? Don't worry.
How about the sanitizer?
Sanitizer. Sanitizer, I forgot. No, wait.
We can go now.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, you show me here. Amma.
Hello.
Okay, you are my cameraman, okay?
Yeah.
Again, today weather is very nice.
Yeah.
You're not showing me.
I am.
Look at you. You, what's that? Oh my goodness, you.
Maybe
엄마 내 뺨에 호세. 엄마 내 뺨에
maybe
호.
it's a decoration.
It's not decoration.
Maybe it's a scum bed.
It's a skull.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a dead skull.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Or maybe it's a dead animal, dead bird, fly.
Or maybe dead things, or maybe a dead baby tiger.
You're not good cameraman. Don't be a good cameraman.
Okay.
See me properly now?
Yeah.
Yeah, now your turn. Let me make yours. Okay. Let's go. We're going there, okay? Llama is
Okay.
there. Again, give me hand.
Okay.
Let's go now. We're gonna stop a little bit here.
And me
This
too.
is called Llama. It's very near to our house. So if you guys want to come here, you can visit here. There's so many cheap stuff.
Yeah, that's the Halloween stuff.
So let's check what's the scary things.
Oh, it's so candy.
I guess we have to go that way.
And this is all the trick-or-treat bag.
These are the trick-or-treat bags.
What's this?
Yeah, the old mess up.
It's Halloween pumpkin.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's on the floor. Don't touch it. It's good.
Oh, here.
What's that?
It's blood.
Oh, it's the blood. What kind of blood is that?
It's like ghost flowers. I want to see. Oh, a spider necklace.
Oh my goodness, there's the finger again.
Oh my god, a dead finger?
That real finger?
Oh my god. No, it's the finger. It's a fake. Let's go.
Let's find some decoration for our gate.
Hmm.
This is beautiful.
I know, it's for her face. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, did you have Halloween stickers? Right here.
No, I mean those the
House one? Halloween.
they have a written.
These ones.
Yeah, I can use this one for me. Must I?
Yeah, you can. Do you know what is this, Emma?
I don't know.
I'll find something for Wednesday.
Wait, we'll walk together.
I found something.
What kind of
Emma,
this?
can we go more? I want to take more. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm coming. 1 second.
And a book high.
Oh. See, she got a scary hand.
Is this the Halloween
Does it
thing?
work? Did it work? Did it trick you?
Yeah, it's a
Oh,
green.
good. Okay. It might be perfect then.
Yeah,
If
perfect.
I'm driving around like this with my face and then wave out my window, or just like this.
Yeah, everybody gonna scare.
Yeah, baby, you should wear the mask you should
Matching.
wear them.
Matching mask.
Matching. Yeah.
I gotta fix this though. I hit myself in the head twice. Are you having a good Halloween weekend?
Yeah, we're just finding some Halloween decorations.
That's exciting. What kind of, do you live in a house or an apartment or?
We live in a house.
Oh, perfect.
Put on it there. We're gonna start the decoration.
We just came home
Okay, from where?
from the shop we just told you. Yeah, the one at the Llama.
Okay, let's show the stuff and we're gonna decorate.
Yeah, when we went inside, we didn't show you the inside. We just show you the inside little bit.
Yay, you did it.
So we're gonna put this in our we're gonna put this in our mud.
What?
We're gonna put this in the mud.
Mud?
Yeah,
Why?
because it's for mud. See?
This is for mud?
Yeah.
Where's the mud?
There, behind you guys.
Behind me? Yeah, I think we're gonna put around this gate. Same.
Yeah, I'm making the decision.
The nose should be same like this.
Now, this is the
And the
pumpkin.
mouth
This is
should be.
This.
Okay, mouth should be like this.
See, this is our pumpkin. Our pumpkin. That's our pumpkin.
This. I don't know, this is our first time. So guys.
Oh my god, why are you cutting the same?
Again, where's the mouth? This goes under. I love it.